Hello everybody, I am Aaron Gogna and I welcome you to Gognuts, Nuggets of Wisdom, Wit, and Wackiness. One day there was a man who was walking along the street and then all of a sudden he heard a voice behind him saying, "Stop! Because a brick will fall in front of you." And then all of a sudden a brick fell in front of him. The voice saved him. And then he continued walking and he was wondering, who was that voice? And then all of a sudden he heard the voice again and said, "Stop! There will be a car passing by and you will be hit by it." And the man stopped and then there was a car who passed by, almost hit him. The voice saved him again. And then he was wondering and he asked, "Who are you?" And the voice said, "I am your guardian angel." And then this man, angry with a frown on his face, and said, "Where were you when I got married?" Saan ang mga anghel nung ikaw ay kinasal? Nasaan ang anghel pag ikaw ay nahihirapan? Most of the time, you're telling people that, or we are telling God or the angel, "Where were you? You did not save me." But the message is very, very simple. You have to decide and do, work, act on your own. Don't depend on angels. Don't depend on anything else. Kailangan sarili mo yan. Kaya minsan wag tayong sisi ng ibang tao o pati ng Diyos. Minsan kasalanan talaga natin yung nangyayari sa atin. Our decisions will determine our future. So my encouragement for you is this: stop blaming. Take responsibility to what happened to you before. And this time, as you move along, yes, your guardian angel will guide you. But please, you also need to do something about your life. Huwag palaging asa ng asa. Napakahalaga, kumilos tayo. But God will still be there to guide us. Alright? This is Brother Aaron Gogna. And I am so happy that you are watching Gognuts every single day. Please share this to as many friends as you can. And bless them as well. Be a guardian angel to them today. Share this video. I also thank you for making your comments below. Napakahalaga niyan. So my question to you today, para mag-comments tayo because I read all your comments. Who is your guardian angel now? Sino yung tao na talagang binabantayan ka, sinusuportahan ka? They are your guardian angels. Okay? So please type them there or send this to them, this video, and tell them, "You are my guardian angel." I will see you again. God bless you.